Hello, we're here unboxing the December 2020 surprise from Smile Create Repeat. Excited, this one's a great one. Oh, nice. It isn't filled with all that paper, the crumpled up paper, because that's just wasteful and we don't want to do that in our boxes because we don't want it and we don't think that adds any value to what you're trying to get. So, all right, the first thing we have is our creative card, which explains the supplies for you. And then on the back, it gives you an idea of what you can do with these supplies and a little project and inspiration. So this is a great surprise we have. And this month we have 2 videos showing you what you can do with it. So awesome. Oh, and of course you can earn free supplies. So read the back of that, you'll learn how. It's by referring your friends, and when they sign up, you get free supplies. Well, we got the extra stuff first, so we have our awesome Smile Create Repeat sticker showing everyone you're an artist. We have this great postcard with some watercolor art. You have your Smile Create Repeat pencil. Art is good, so you remember where you got your great supplies. All right, let's get into the main course now. Got gift wrap. And even this, we didn't want to do wasteful stuff, so we put this craft paper in there, so you can even use that. If you're working on a project with your actual supplies and paper, you can use this to test them to see, oh, let me scribble on this to see what they actually look like before I do it on my final work. We have a nice jelly roll pen. That'll come in handy. Those are nice. The colors are really vibrant and thick on dark paper, which you can see is in there. Our Kimberly Pencil. We love those pencils. We put a new one in each box, so different hardnesses. This is a 2B, so it's kind of on the soft side. And those are great because you can get really dark marks with it, but you can also do light marks, which are still kind of dark, but they'll erase easily because you don't have to push hard on the paper. So that's a great pencil. We have an Edding Pastel pen, soft white. This is really cool. It's a white pen, and on the black paper, it's transparent. It's translucent, so it's light. And then once that's dry, you go over it a few more times, and it gets darker and darker. And I show you how you can use that two very cool ways in the second demo video, so you'll want to watch that and learn about that. And here's a Copic Spika glitter pen. This is something cool too. On the white paper, it's very bright and colorful and sparkly, and on the black paper, the color kind of goes away and it's just sparkles. But we show you again in that second video how to make it bright and colorful also. So there's a lot of good information in those videos. And here we have 2 pieces of black watercolor paper to make with your greeting cards if you want to. You have a bunch in here. You have the greeting cards are watercolor paper, so they're thick and a little bit of texture, but not too much. And then matching envelopes. So we make some artwork on this. And then the other video, we make artwork on this, we cut it down, and then we can attach it to that. So really great. You have a few of those to try. And I also want to mention you can pre-order and save $15 on our Deluxe Holiday Sketchbox. It's separate from our subscription. That's going till the 10th of December. You save $15 off, and we ship those December 14th, so you get them hopefully in plenty of time for Christmas. So that's it. That's the amazing December 2020 surprise from Smile Create Repeat. I really hope you liked it. It was fun to put together for you. I think these supplies are fantastic, or else we wouldn't put them in there. So if you'd like to give us a try, please do so. There's some specials on our website right now, so go check them out. So thanks again. Remember to smile, create, repeat, and happy holidays.